Welcome again to our ultra short lesson in physics. Today's question is, why do objects fall? The usual answer is because there is gravity. Yeah, well, there is gravity, but what gravity is? Gravity is the attraction by the Earth. And what is the attraction by the Earth? Well, this is gravity. This is called tautology. We explained something, not explaining anything. We explained something using the same wording as the question. So let's go to another explanation. There was a guy, a philosopher, more than 2000 years ago, who said objects fall because they are heavy, and the natural place of heavy objects is the center of Earth. So now we can make an experiment. I have this ball here, and I will make this ball falling. Let's try. Well, it fell down here, it stopped here because here's the table. It would go to the center of Earth. Well, I have a chair here. When I make it fall on the chair, yes, it stopped there because there was the chair. So this is a good explanation. Well, let's make another question. Can we make this ball jump? Well, there are people who believe in something which is called telekinesis. Telekinesis, that by thinking we can make objects jump. So I'm thinking, go, jump, jump, please jump, jump. It doesn't move. Well, it doesn't work. Let's say, so I can make another experiment. I can make a very simple experiment with another ball, with this ball. I take this small metal ball, and now I do magic. I give this ball a magic quantity. And now I gave to this ball this magic quantity, and now I tell to this ball, go down and up, and down and up, and down, up, down, down, up, down and up. Well, now it is going up. I made a magic operation. I make this ball going up. I have another ball here, which is also magic. Now I give to this ball this magic quantity. I tell to this ball, please jump up. This and jumped up. Well, it went outside the table. I have another one. Please jump up. Well, first I must give this magic quantity. I give this magic quantity, and it jumped up. We learned how to make the balls jumping up. Let's come back to our ball. Now I have two balls. Well, this is heavier and this is light. I can make the experiment with these balls falling. So let's note first what is the height to which this ball jumps. I will make it fall from this height. Well, it jumps more or less to this height. And now this lighter one, well, it jumps more or less to this height. Now we will make these two balls fall together. A little bit attention, I make it fall together. Be careful. Be careful, it's not so easy. Well, the yellow one went somewhere up to the ceiling. Well, I have another one. We will make another experiment. Physics is nice because it allows you to make experiments and experiments again and again. And this is not with everything. The light ball goes up. It goes to the ceiling in some way. I will do this experiment again for the third time. But now don't look into this light ball, but look into the heavy ball. I just remember you what is the height that the heavier ball jumps up. Well, more or less this. Now we do it again together, and please look into the green one. A little bit attention, together, go! You noticed what happened. You notice what happened. It jumped to half of this height. What happened? Well, it happened something. The question is, what was the reason? And the reason is that this, well, where they moved together, one pushed another, and well, to be careful, they made a collision. They were falling together up to the floor. Then this jumped up, and this was still going down. They made a collision. And this ball made this going up and up. It made it going up. It transferred to it something. It transferred to it this some magic quantity, the same magic quantity which makes this going up. I give to this energy, and it jumps up because it accumulated energy. So they exchange the energy in the collision, and this was the reason that this did not jump to the same height and this went to the ceiling. So the magic word is energy. Well, I have an experiment here. I have birds here, and I take this ball and put it here, and the birds, they move. What kind of feed did I give to these birds? Well, the ball. No, the ball is here. I gave to them the energy. The ball transferred its energy to the birds, so they move because they gained the energy. So objects move because they have energy. Objects jump because they have energy. Now I can make a magic thing. I can tell to this ball, please jump to the ceiling. And it jumped. And another one. And jump. They jump. Well, this is magic. And this is the difference with the explanation by Aristotle, because the explanation of Aristotle says why do objects fall. It doesn't say why the objects jump. The objects jump, move, because they have energy. I have here funny ducks. I can tell to these ducks, please walk. Well, they don't walk, but I can tell them, please go down. They walk because I roused them and I gave them the energy. So the reason that the objects fall, the reason that the objects go up, the reason that the objects jump is because they have energy. This is the key word, the magic word of this lesson, the energy. Thank you.